What the? Oh God. But here, we're waiting. Let's enjoy our parkour. Oh, this guy is freaking crazy. Here we go. Let's enjoy all the pitfall and the parkour. What the heck? I'm lagging. Freak lagging. I'm just freaking lagging. Thank you God for lagging. Okay, we're gonna go to the parkour map. What the heck? I just went up again. I just went up continuously with this up. So guys, we're gonna. What the heck? I just freaking failed. I know another tip here. I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna jump and right click it. So jump and right click it and not lag. I didn't right click it because I'm lagging on it. And we're just gonna make this baby join, and we're just gonna wait the freaking goddamn it. And put this up, put this up, put this up. Here we go, here we go. We're going in 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bam! Here we go. Oh, and we 10. Are you kidding me? We just two of us? What the heck, what the heck, what the heck? The heck's that guy? Okay, sorry, I'm silent. Oh, what the heck? Here you go. What the heck? I'm freaking lagging. I'm freaking lagging. What the heck? Oh, I have a gift. What the face? I have a gift here. Here's try. Freak that. I will kill you all, babies. What? What? Freak that, freak that. Freak, freak, that lag is freaking killing me. Oh God, oh God, oh God, I will kill you, baby. He, sir, I'm silent because I'm focusing. And here we go. Oh God, what the heck? Next, oh, wow, 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 wow. That is freaking possible. Because I fell off. Okay, that is freaking possible. This may need, and we have just to the freak of that man. I just freaking fell off again, and waiting for another reason to make this back to the end of the parkour. And I just gonna right click the chest, and I fell off the gigante freaking goddamn. See? Let's freaking enjoy this freaking lags. Oh, switch it, Major. What the? Please. Please, damn it. 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 I will get to the second platform. What the heck? Okay. Almost there. Almost there. What the hell is that? Here we go. Here we go. I wish I am teamwork. Teamwork. Yay! Egglip! Egglip! Egglet. It's my favorite freaking map. I wonder what to begin. Oh God, I need air. Here. Thank you for the air. Please don't freaking oh God me. That freaking red thing. Oh God, 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 I will kill you freak. It's 1v1 this. Try to hit me, try to kill me. I am pro. Huh? God damn it, that is Egglet. God damn it. Oh! What? Gonna find a way out of this arena. This is just like an Uber strike. What the heck? This is just like Uber strike. What the heck? I'm lagging again. Stop doing that thing. What? What the freak? It's freaking annoying. What the face? Where's that Sergeant Major? With that, with that, with that. I need help, 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 I need help. Ooh, 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 ooh. What the face? Freeze, freeze, freeze. I will kick you off. And guys, damn it. Guys, damn it. This is damn it. This is damn it. This is damn it. This don't kick me. This damn it. I will drown in a minute. Please, 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 please. Here we go. Ready to rumble! Ready to rumble! Ready to rumble! Frick! Where's that Max go? What the? What? Tiny. 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 What the face? I shot me. I was pretty sure in the mid thing. Oh God, I need the help of you. Egglet. Egglet. This is freaking weird. This is freaking weird. I need your help. Okay. So, 30 seconds left. Here we go. 30 seconds left. Okay, I didn't see that. I didn't see that. See that guy. I didn't see that guy. I was freaking praying. Oh, this 10 seconds. 10 seconds only. 10 seconds only. 10 seconds only. 10 seconds only. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. GG. Thank you, Ryan. And bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, bye!